Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when faced with setbacks and mistakes. However, it is important to remember that mistakes and failures are a natural part of the learning process and should be viewed as opportunities for growth and improvement. Here are a few tips for staying motivated and learning from your mistakes. Set clear and achievable goals. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve can help keep you focused and motivated. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and set deadlines for yourself. Stay positive and focus on the present. Don't dwell on past mistakes or failures. Instead, focus on what you can do now to improve your situation and achieve your goals. Learn from your mistakes. Take the time to reflect on what went wrong and think about what you can do differently in the future. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from others. Stay organized and prioritize your tasks. Keep track of deadlines and important dates, and make sure you are using your time effectively. Prioritizing your tasks can help keep you on track and reduce stress. Take care of yourself physically and emotionally. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active. Take time for yourself to relax and recharge. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Being around others who are motivated and supportive can help keep you motivated and on track. Keep a learning journal. Seek out new information and opportunities to learn and grow. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and compassionate with yourself when you make mistakes. Keep it fun. Learning should be enjoyable. Find ways to make it fun and engaging. Stay consistent. Keep up with your learning, even when it's hard. Consistency is key to making progress. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can achieve your goals, and don't let setbacks or mistakes discourage you. You have the ability to learn and grow. Create a supportive environment. Make sure your learning environment is conducive to your success, whether it's a quiet workspace or a study group with like-minded individuals. Use positive affirmations. Repeat positive statements to yourself such as "I am capable of learning" or "I can overcome obstacles." Break up your learning into smaller chunks. If a task seems daunting, break it up into smaller, more manageable parts. Use different learning methods. Everyone has a unique learning style, so try different methods like visual aids, flashcards, or videos to find what works best for you. Practice mindfulness. Get enough sleep. Proper sleep is crucial for learning and staying motivated. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Practice self-care. Make sure you're taking care of yourself mentally, physically, and emotionally. Embrace challenges. Embrace challenges as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than viewing them as a setback. Stay focused. Minimize distractions and stay focused on your learning tasks. Use positive visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and visualize the steps you'll take to get there. Stay motivated by setting short-term and long-term goals. Set both short-term and long-term goals to keep yourself motivated and focused. Stay organized. Keep your notes, materials, and schedule organized to make learning easier. Stay motivated by learning something new. Learning something new can be exciting and invigorating, and it will also help you to stay motivated. Stay motivated by having a growth mindset. Believe that you can grow and improve, and that failure is a learning opportunity. Stay motivated by being persistent. Don't give up, and keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Stay motivated by having a positive attitude. Keep a positive attitude, and approach your learning with enthusiasm and energy. Stay motivated by seeking feedback. Seek feedback from others on your learning and use it to improve. Stay motivated by keeping your end goal in mind. Keep your end goal in mind and remind yourself why you started learning in the first place. Stay motivated by varying your learning activities. Mixing up your learning activities can help to keep you engaged and motivated. Stay motivated by setting realistic expectations. Set realistic expectations for yourself and your learning progress. This will help you to stay motivated. Stay motivated by staying accountable. Keep yourself accountable for your learning progress by setting up a system for tracking and reporting. Stay motivated by learning with others. Join a study group, or seek out a learning partner. This can help to keep you motivated and provide a support system. Stay motivated by taking a break when you need to. If you're feeling unmotivated or burned out, take a break and come back to your learning refreshed. Stay motivated by using technology. Make use of technology, such as apps or online resources, to aid in your learning and stay motivated. Stay motivated by being consistent. Stay consistent with your learning, even when it's hard, and you'll see progress over time. Stay motivated by believing in yourself. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn, and don't let setbacks or mistakes discourage you from reaching your goals. Stay motivated by taking a step back. Sometimes, taking a step back and looking at the big picture can help you to stay motivated and refocus your efforts. Stay motivated by being open to new perspectives. Be open to new perspectives and ideas, as they can provide valuable insights and help you to stay motivated. Stay motivated by setting incremental goals. Set incremental goals to help you stay motivated and track your progress. Stay motivated by using positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement, such as rewards, to motivate yourself and stay on track. Stay motivated by learning from others. Learn from others who have been in similar situations and have overcome obstacles. Stay motivated by using humor. Use humor to lighten the mood and keep yourself motivated. Stay motivated by being open to change. Be open to change and be willing to adapt your learning strategy as needed. Stay motivated by setting a schedule. Set a schedule for your learning and stick to it. This can help to keep you on track and motivated. Stay motivated by being persistent. Keep pushing yourself, even when things get tough, and don't give up on your learning goals. Stay motivated by keeping things simple. Keep things simple and don't overcomplicate your learning process. Stay motivated by staying focused. Stay focused on your learning goals and don't let distractions get in the way. Stay motivated by being creative. Be creative with your learning and find new and interesting ways to approach the material. Stay motivated by being proactive. Be proactive and take initiative in your learning. This can help to keep you motivated. Stay motivated by staying flexible. Stay flexible and be open to new opportunities for learning and growth. Stay motivated by keeping your learning relevant. Keep your learning relevant and make sure it aligns with your long-term goals. Stay motivated by staying optimistic. Stay optimistic and maintain a positive attitude. This will help to keep you motivated. Stay motivated by using positive visualization. Use positive visualization to see yourself achieving your learning goals and staying motivated. Stay motivated by using a reward system. Set up a reward system for yourself when you achieve small or big steps in your learning process. Stay motivated by staying engaged. Stay engaged in the learning process and find ways to make it interesting and fun. Stay motivated by taking care of yourself. Remember to take care of yourself and make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active. This will help you to stay motivated and focused on your learning goals. Stay motivated by using positive affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself, such as "I am capable of learning" or "I can overcome obstacles," to keep yourself motivated. Stay motivated by using flashcards. Use flashcards to help you memorize information. This can be a fun and effective way to learn. Stay motivated by using a planner. Use a planner to help you stay organized. This can help you to stay motivated and on track. Stay motivated by being consistent in your efforts. Consistency is key in the learning process, so make sure to put in the effort every day. Stay motivated by setting specific goals. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals for yourself. This will help you to stay motivated and focused. Stay motivated by keeping things in perspective. Keep things in perspective and remember that setbacks and mistakes are a normal part of the learning process. Stay motivated by being adaptable. Be adaptable and willing to make adjustments to your learning plan as needed. Stay motivated by focusing on progress, not perfection. Remember that progress, not perfection, is the key to success. Stay motivated by using a positive reinforcement system. Set up a positive reinforcement system for yourself, where you reward yourself for reaching milestones. Stay motivated by taking time to reflect. Take time to reflect on your learning, what you've learned and how you can apply it in the future. Stay motivated by using analogies and metaphors. Use analogies and metaphors to help you understand and remember the material. Stay motivated by using visualization techniques. Use visualization techniques to help you remember information and stay motivated. In conclusion, staying motivated and learning from mistakes can be challenging, but by setting clear goals, staying positive, and learning from your mistakes, it is possible to stay motivated and continue learning and growing. Remember to take care of yourself physically and emotionally, stay organized, and surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Additionally, keep a learning journal, find inspiration and motivation from others, reward yourself, stay flexible and open to new ideas, and practice self-compassion. By following these tips, you can stay motivated and reach your learning goals. Remember, mistakes and failures are a natural part of the learning process and should be viewed as opportunities for growth and improvement. Stay motivated, stay curious, and keep learning.